Welcome to Larchmere Imports,
a premier automotive facility dedicated to making you smile.
So Larchmere Imports is an auto repair shop conveniently located just a couple miles away from University Circle. One of the great things about us is we'll come to you, pick up your car, service it, and bring it back.
Our company culture, our teamwork is going to show how appreciative we are of your business. So we started the business 35 years ago with a 3-bay garage, a box of tools, and a passion for servicing automobiles.
And through customer referrals and quality work, the business has grown into what it is today. What really sets us apart is the finesse our technicians use with each and every car while it's here. We really try to take our time and make sure that your car gets exactly what it needs while it's here with us.
The first line of our mission statement is promoting the customer's best interest. We work very hard with the businesses located in University Circle. Very many people there that are constantly in need of our help. We'll go down, pick their car up, bring it back here, take care of it. Seamless. We offer a 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty with all the work that we perform. And we assure you that we will spend the least amount of your day taking care of your problems.
We realize that the last thing on most people's mind is their automobile maintenance. So we really try to make the visit as smooth as possible.
So look us up online at, what's our website?
Larchmereimports.com.
Or give us a phone call at
216-229-8000.
or come in and shake our hands.
And we'll make you smile.
Yeah.